Guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing the rear brakes on the van. Well, I did the front ones as well on both sides. Now I'm doing the rear brakes. Matthew's here observing the project, helping a little bit. We're being safe. Are we safe? Yes, we're safe. So the thing that I was having issues with is the calipers right here they have the emergency brake connected to the calipers, and which means they have this piston that cannot be compressed in by pressing them in like on the front. It's the ones that you have to rotate in. So I went to my local auto parts store and picked up this tool. Let me show you. So I picked up this cube right here, which has different little knobs for different calipers, etc. I tried a little bit to see if it'll actually fit, and I was playing with it. I actually broke one of them off right there. Well, it's made in China, that's why. So I'm gonna go to the store and get another one. But there's other ones that actually fit as well, like this one fits. This one fits. This one is too narrow, it doesn't fit. But basically it goes in like this. This one will not fit, it's too narrow. These ones are kind of small, but it does fit, but it gives you a lot of play when you're doing that. And these fit as well, but you get a little less play, but it still wobbles around like up and down. So the thing is with these tools, you got to actually press it in and rotate at the same time. There's actually other tools where they have a plate right here which pushes against this side, and then compresses in the piston while you're rotating. It has like a thread in there. This was like, I think, $6 or $7, so it's pretty cheap. And they didn't have the other tool, the one that compresses in, but I figured I'll just try this out. So let's go ahead and try this and use the ones that are not broken. And then I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it because I'm hoping none of the other ones will break. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and try and make my own later on down the line if I ever need one. So let's go ahead and try this out and see if we can compress the piston in and put them on the rotors with the new pads. They are pretty thick and they were worn out almost to the very end, so I will have to compress the caliper quite a bit. Alright, let's get on spinning. You need to secure the caliper in place, because if you have it on the floor, obviously you're not going to have enough leverage to press it and rotate at the same time, because it'll be moving all over the place unless you have somebody else holding the caliper. And this guy is taking my tools. Matusha, what are you doing? Okay, what are you gonna do with that? Okay, so I gotta give him a tool to play with. There you go. What are you gonna fix? What are you gonna do? You gonna fix your Mustang? So in my case, I had to secure it on one of the bolts on the bottom. But even still, when you have it secured, it still slides in and out because this bolt is not secure. So it can slide out when you're actually pressing and rotating. So I have to put in a piece of board in here, lean it against the car jack. That way I'll have some support in the back so it doesn't slide out when I'm pressing and rotating. I think when you have the tool that actually compresses and rotates, that's obviously going to be a lot easier because you don't need to actually have pressure while you're rotating, and you're not going to worry about the caliper moving around everywhere. But this is what I got. I mean, it is what it is. They didn't have the other one, so let's go ahead and try this out and see. it's still kind of moving up and down, so I'm gonna probably tighten this back bolt a little more, and then put maybe another piece of board right here so it doesn't go up and down when I'm trying to rotate it. Alright, let's give this a shot one more time. It's a little better, but the thing with this tool is you have to keep it flat. Wait a minute, am I loosening it? Okay, so I guess right is turning right on this one is loosening, like pushing it out. So I guess it has to go left, which is kind of weird, but okay. So I have to give it support on the bottom actually. There you go. That would be better. Actually, it's not that hard to spin it. It's just that you got to keep it as flat as possible against the piston. Otherwise, you have it in the wobble and it can just slip like that. So you're pressing and spinning at the same time. Making sure you're not doing it too fast, because it can just slip. Let's push it in that way. So I decided to upgrade my tool a little bit, because with the ratchet it was kind of all over the place, it wasn't working that well. So we'll take the drill with the caliper tool, we'll put it on speed 1 so it's slow, and then just take it easy and see how that works out. It's kind of weird. It feels like I'm going to burn the drill out, and you got to press it in. All right, let's see if it's getting pretty close. A little more. I think it needs to go all the way in order to fit the new pads. So let's finish this up. As I'm fixing the van, the kids are flying the kite. We have a 2-year-old over here with this little dory kite flying around. Little sister helping him catch the kite when it falls down. Matthew, what are you doing? Are you flying the kite? You. Professional kite flyer over here. Matthew, where's the kite? Right there. Whoa. Whoa, where's the kite? Hi. Don't let it go.
I wanted to let it go.
No, it's gonna fly away. All right, I'm gonna go on, continue working on the van while they fly the kite. Viola, watch him, okay? So the kite doesn't fly away.
Okay.
And if it flies away, go catch it. All right, so I think I got this piston in far enough. So now I can finally put the caliper back on and then put the wheel back on. And we're good to go. One more thing I gotta check is I pressed the caliper, I pressed the piston in, so the fluid that was in there had to go somewhere, so let's check the reservoir. It's pretty full. It says minimum here. Where's the maximum? Oh, maximum right here. On the top, so it's actually, it went all the way to maximum, so that's good. I guess now it's where it should be. So let's finish this up real quick. First test drive. Let's see if she makes it around. Oh, let me guess, she put in first. Yeah, I think she put in first instead of drive. That's alright, go!
6.5 hours later.
Yay! Okay, she made it. I think I put all the right parts in the right areas. There you go. Little Matthew helped us with getting the jack out, torquing the wheels. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I do have a new project coming hopefully this week. Some of you guys might know what it is. I'll give you a quick hint. Here's a quick picture of what I'm getting. So it's gonna need some work on the rear end, so hopefully that project will come in later this week, and we'll get to see what it needs, what's damaged, and we'll start on that. That's going to be a quick little project. Might be a keeper, but I'll share more details when that comes in, and we'll see what's wrong with that one exactly and what it needs. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video. Any questions or comments, let me know in the bottom, and we'll see you guys soon. See ya!